Today's look is super easy. I'm just using the face pencils WTF and Miracle Balm on my skin. These are Jones Road's best sellers. I kind of feel like you have to have all three in order to achieve a flawless base. The face pencils will offer the most coverage, the WTF will give you the most beautiful finish, and then the Miracle Balms will add dimension. So I have Sunkissed for adding warmth to the skin, and then I have Pinched Cheeks as a sheer blush. I'm super excited about this easy makeup look. Let's go ahead and get started. I personally like starting with the face pencils. Sometimes if you put the WTF on first, you'll find that it creates more slip and the face pencils won't be able to hold. I have shade 5 and Fair Peach. I'll layer these two together. I'll apply Fair Peach first and then I'll put shade 5 right over top. The Neutralizer face pencils help with canceling out any purples or blues on the under eyes. If you struggle with those tones, you may find that a neutralizer would pair well in your routine. You tend to see the most purple and blue on the under eyes rather than the rest of the face, but if you do have any other issues with dark spots or something like that, you can also use this to cover any little dark spots as well. The neutralizers won't be great for blemishes. I'll just go in with my regular face pencil on those. If you want maximum coverage, you could let this sit for a little bit. I also love using the eye blending brush. I'll use this brush and buff out the color. Lisa from the Chicago store does this technique quite a bit, and that's where I learned it from. We'll go directly over top with shade 5. I like to focus it on the inner corners and slowly start to drag it out. I also like to use my face pencil to clean up my liner. I'm using the face pencil for most of my coverage, and then I'll layer WTF over top. That'll help melt this more into the skin. Because this is a raging red blemish, I'll leave this to set for a little while. While I'm allowing this to set, I'll go ahead and blend out the rest of the face. You don't have to completely blend this all in because we're using WTF over top. That'll create some forgiveness, so you don't have to be so crazy about making sure all of this is blended. The face pencils are where you'll see the most coverage. They offer sheer to medium buildable coverage. You can also use your fingers to press and melt this into the skin as well. I have a lot of discoloration on my skin, so I find that I use the face pencils more generously. But if you have beautiful, even skin, you might only need a little bit. For this super red blemish, I'm not taking the brush directly over and rubbing it around. I'm just actually blending the outer edges. This way I can maintain that coverage without the brush taking away the pigment on top of the blemish. Now we'll move on to the WTF. This is the shade Ivory. I'll be pairing it with the skin brush. This is one of my favorite brushes for using with the WTF. I find that I get the most amount of coverage with this brush. This is how much I'm starting with, and then I'll build from there. I like to apply a line and then blend it out. I like to focus the color on the center of the face rather than pulling it all the way back here. I don't need as much coverage back towards my hairline. We tend to have the most redness and discoloration on the center of the face. If you're noticing any streaks from the brush, I like to take my hands and just press into the skin. That will help with any streaks. This will also help with merging your liquid foundation and face pencils together. There's no SPF in the formula. That way you can choose your favorite SPF. People can be really picky about that, so it's nice that you have that control. Now that my skin tone is looking nice and even, I'll use 2 different Miracle Balms to bring more dimension to my skin. I'll be using my 2 favorite Miracle Balms. I have Sunkissed and Pinched Cheeks. I'll use Sunkissed on the outer perimeter of the face, also anywhere where the sun would naturally touch it. This is what Sunkissed looks like. It looks very pigmented in the container, but these do sheer out beautifully. If you're not familiar with Miracle Balm, you want to make sure that you press hard through the surface. That way you can pick up the pigment. I like to apply it across the forehead and then just blend out with my hands. But you could also use the Everything brush. I may switch over to the Everything brush. I also like to put it on top of the nose. The Everything brush is a great brush for stippling. You can also use the brush to dip in, pick up that pigment. I'm placing it where I would usually place my bronzer. If you feel like you applied too much, just keep pressing it out. For blush, I'll use Pinched Cheeks. We'll just tap it on. Pinched Cheeks has a little more pigment than some of the other Miracle Balms, so it's a pretty blush color. I also feel like I don't need a highlight because this will create a beautiful glow onto the high points, so I'll just make this my blush and highlight combo. Here's what my skin is looking like. I think it looks extra radiant, looks more even. I still haven't touched that spot. I'll leave it alone. I don't really have to blend it out because the face pencil matches my skin perfectly. Here's my finished makeup look using the face pencils WTF and Miracle Balm. All three of these products pair beautifully together. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one.